No way. No way! No way! They better go on a legendary run with those titles. Fuck yes.
It wasn't just improbable, Cole. We just witnessed the impossible. The Motor City Machine Guns, with a little help from the OTC and the Usos, plural, just shocked the entire WWE universe. So, Corey, if you're going to do battle with a bloodline,
I think this has to be the best ending I've ever seen of SmackDown.
you need help. Roman Reigns knew he was a chief without a tribe. Vengeance on the mind of the OTC. There goes the werewolf. There goes Solo Sikoa. And in a shocking turn of events, as Jason Ayers was taking out our official, the unlikeliest of heroes would save the day in the championship aspirations of the Motor City Machine Guns. Give me a big old yeet. The Intercontinental Champion, the former Intercontinental Champion, Jey Uso, coming to the aid of the Machine Guns with a steel chair. And just for emphasis, the exclamation point, a spear from main event Jey.